Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nunu for those of you who don't know me. So yeah, today I just felt like shooting and cooking, so we will be making chicken and rice. So let me get the ingredients. Oh, first I'll be having some hot chocolate. Doing that. So let me get on with the ingredients. So I do have my ingredients ready. So we're going to make it like one pot vibes, but then I'm gonna cook the rice and chicken separately and then mix them all together at a later stage. So I have my rice in here. I already washed it, and then I have my chicken in here. It's 4 thighs, and then I have salt, crushed chili, chicken spice, mixed herbs, and parsley. And then in here I have my onion, green, red, and yellow pepper. And then I have my Norox chicken cubes. Then my olive oil. I have 6 garlic cloves. 6 mainly because they are so tiny. So I just said 6. So let's get on with the chopping. Oh, firstly, I am going to make my rice separately. So I'm going to pop this in the microwave. So I'm going to add the olive oil, tiny bit, and some salt. And pop it on in the microwave for 2 minutes. All of that up, I am going to put it away or on the side and get started with my chicken wrap. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of oil, and some chicken spice. So I am not a professional chef, I just love cooking, yeah. And a little bit of salt, some mixed herbs. So also another thing I wanted us to engage on is how firstly the reason why I decided to cook honestly was a bit too much. The reason why I decided to start cooking was because firstly I'm hungry. Also, I decided to shoot because I have been procrastinating. I've been procrastinating shooting, and my partner always tells me that, which is something I know already, I can never get better at something if I don't continuously or practice doing it rather. So I started my channel last year, which was in 2021, mainly because I just love sharing recipes and cooking and shooting and all of that. So that was just that thing that I've been procrastinating. And yes, I do shoot, edit and everything, but then when I'm supposed to post, anxiety. The anxiety of posting and stuff like that. So it was just a bit of, but I am hoping to get used to the groove of shooting and everything, and hopefully I'll get better. So I'm just gonna mix 1 chicken cube with boiling water. I'm just gonna stir all of that up. Then it's gonna make a nice chicken stock, because I currently don't have chicken stock. This is what I do when I don't have chicken. I'm just gonna wrap my chicken with the wrap that I use. Honestly, I just freestyle my recipe. Follow anything particular. So I just make recipes, or if I'm craving something, then I just make whatever it is that I'm craving on that day. So today I was craving rice and chicken. And actually this is how it looks. Hope you can see. This is how it looks. Then we're going to start cooking. This is how my dish look, and yeah, we have reached the end of our video, and yeah, let me know if you'll be trying this recipe, and all the ingredients and measurements and everything will be down in the description box. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already.